If you just picked up your Mane Growth Elixir or you're thinking about trying it, this video will show you exactly how to get the best results. I'll walk you through step by step through how much to use, how often to apply it, and the routine that makes it work. All right, so here's the deal. I've been using our Mane Growth Elixir for over 2 years now, and I've learned a few things the hard way. When I first started, I was like most guys. I thought that more product meant faster results. Wrong. I was drowning my scalp in oil like I was marinating a steak. Not only did I waste a lot of product, but I actually clogged my pores and slowed down my progress. So let me save you the trial and error and show you the exact routine that works. Step 1, prep your scalp. First things first, you want to start with a clean scalp. I'm not saying that you need to wash your hair every single day, but when you do apply the elixir, make sure that your scalp isn't loaded with product or build up excess oil. Here's what I do. I wash my hair 2 to 3 times a week with a gentle sulfate-free shampoo. Why sulfate-free? Because those harsh chemicals strip away your natural oils, and then your scalp overcompensates by producing even more oil. It's like your scalp is having an identity crisis. After shampooing, I use a light conditioner on my hair strands, not the scalp. The scalp doesn't need conditioner. That's like putting lotion on your face and then wondering why you're breaking out. Step 2, less is more. Now, here's where most people mess up. They think that they need to use half the bottle. Listen, our Mane Growth Elixir has over 40 natural botanicals in it. This stuff is concentrated. A little goes a long way. Now, here's my exact process. Shake the bottle. Those botanicals settle, so you want to mix them up. You're going to want to part your hair into sections, and I'm talking about like a grid. Think of it like you're planting seeds in a garden. You want even coverage. Use the dropper. You want to use about 2 to 3 drops per section directly onto your scalp, not your hair, your scalp. Your hair follicles are in your scalp, not floating around in your hair strands. Focus on your problem areas. For me, that's my crown and my temples. If you're dealing with overall thinning, cover your whole scalp, but don't go crazy. How much is too much? If the oil is dripping off your head, you've gone too far. If you look like you just dunked your head into a fryer, dial it back. Step 3, massage. Yeah, this is where the magic happens. This step is non-negotiable. The massage isn't just relaxation. Though it does feel pretty good, it's what activates these ingredients. Use your fingertips, not your nails, and make circular motions with medium pressure. You want to feel it, but you don't want to feel pain. Spend 3 to 5 minutes covering every area where you apply the elixir. Why is this so important? The massage increases blood circulation, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles. Without it, you're basically just putting expensive oil on your head and hoping for the best. Now, I use a scalp massage tool because honestly, after 5 minutes, my fingers get tired. Plus, the tool gives you more consistent pressure and coverage. Step 4. Okay, timing and frequency. Here's the timing trick that I mentioned earlier. Apply the elixir at night, right before bedtime. Why nighttime? Because that's when your body does most of its repair work. Your hair follicles are like little factories that work overtime while you sleep. Plus, you're not going anywhere, so you don't have to worry about your hair looking oily throughout the day. How often? Daily application gives you the best results, but I get it, life happens. If daily feels overwhelming, aim for 4 to 5 times a week minimum. Consistency beats perfection every time. Step 5, leave it in. Don't rinse it out. The Mane Growth Elixir is designed to stay on your scalp and work continuously. I sleep with it in and I wash it out in the morning, or I leave it in until my next wash. Some guys worry about it getting on their pillow. Pro tip, use a silk or satin pillowcase. It's better for your hair anyways, and it won't absorb the oil like cotton does. Now here's something that most people don't do, but absolutely should. Track your progress. Hair growth is slow. Without tracking, you'll think that nothing's happening and you give up right before you see results. Take progress photos every 7 to 14 days. Same lighting, same angle. Focus on your problem area. What should you look for? New baby hairs usually appear first. then existing hair gets thicker, then you'll notice less hair in the shower drain. Now, let me tell you about the mistakes that will sabotage your results. Mistake number 1, using too much product. More is not better, it's wasteful, and it could clog your pores. Number 2, skipping the massage. This is not optional, guys. The massage is what makes everything work. Mistake number 3, expecting overnight results. Hair growth takes time. The people who see incredible results are the ones who stick with it when it gets boring. Mistake number 4, not being consistent. Using it once a week and expecting miracles is like going to the gym once a month and wondering why you're not jacked. What to expect week by week. During the first 2 weeks, you might notice less hair fall and improved scalp health. Your scalp might even feel less dry or itchy. Week 3 through 4, new baby hairs should start appearing around your hairline. They're tiny, but they're there. Week 4 and 5, existing hair feels thicker and stronger. You might notice less breakage when you run your hands through your hair. Week 7 through 8, visible improvements in hair density. This is when other people start noticing. Around month 3 and beyond, a significant transformation that you cannot ignore. The Mane Growth Elixir is powerful on its own, but you can amplify the effect. How so? Stay hydrated. Your hair is about 25% water. If you're dehydrated, your hair suffers. Eat protein. Your hair is made of keratin, which is protein. No protein, no hair growth. Get enough sleep. This goes back to the repair work that I mentioned earlier. Stress is a hair killer. Find ways to decompress. Be patient. I know it's hard, especially when you're looking in the mirror every single morning, hoping to see progress, but trust the process. So look, here's the bottom line. You have 2 choices. You can keep doing what you're doing and hope that your hair magically gets better, or you can take action with a proven system that actually works. The Mane Growth Elixir is not magic. It's science. Over 40 natural botanicals working together to give your hair follicles what they need to thrive, but only if you use it right. I've given you the exact routine that took me from stressing about my hairline every morning to actually feeling confident when I look in the mirror. The same routine that will help you reclaim your confidence back. Your future self will thank you for starting today. Your kids will be proud to have a dad who looks and feels his best. And honestly, your wife's going to notice too. So if you're ready to transform your hair, don't wait. Get your Mane Growth Elixir right now. We've got a 90-day money-back guarantee, so there's literally no risk. If you don't see results after following this routine consistently, get your money back. No questions asked. The link is in the description down below. We produce in small batches because we use premium ingredients. So don't wait if it's in stock. Now, the Mane Growth Elixir fights for you. But what about the inside? What vitamins actually work for hair growth? And which ones are just expensive urine? I found the best hair growth vitamins that dermatologists actually recommend. So click on this video next to find out which vitamins actually fight for you from the inside. Your hair growth journey starts now. Let's go.